Good morning, Ria.
Good morning. What are you writing?
I'm writing a notice.
Notice? What is that?
Oh, you don't know what is notice? Okay, I will tell you how to write a notice. Suppose I have got a water bottle and I want to inform all the students of my section or school regarding that water bottle. What would I do? I would write all the information regarding that water bottle on a piece of paper and put it on the notice board to announce. So that piece of paper would be called notice. But it is an important form of written communication to convey information or make announcements. So we always write notice in a formal way. So it has a fixed format. Format means how to write it. A notice should be brief. That means it should have 40 to 50 words. It should provide complete information. Then notice should include the name of the person who is issuing it. That means if we are writing notice on behalf of our school, so the issuing authority is Kundan Vidya Mandir, Ludhiana. It should be straightforward and to the point. The most important thing is a notice is written within a box. Means first you will draw a rectangular box on the paper and then you will write notice in that box. When we start writing notice, we write down the name of the school or the organization first. It is the eye catcher of the notice and this part is called the head of the notice. Then we write down the information or the content of the notice. This part is called the body of the notice. Whatever you want to write down, whatever information you want to pass, you will write down under this heading, this part. And in the end, we write down the name of the authority or the contact person. That means the person who is writing the notice on behalf of school or organization. Now I am going to share the format of a notice. First you will write down the name of the school and the city in capital letters. Then you will leave one line before and after writing word notice. That means first you will write down the name of the school in capital letters, then city, that is Ludhiana, in capital letters. Then you will leave one line and you will write down NOTICE notice in capital letters. On the left side of word notice, you will write down today's date, means when you are writing the notice, that day's date you will write down. And children, please note that date and notice, the word notice will be written in the same line. Then comes heading. Heading should be in capital letters. For example, found a water bottle. This is the heading. Lost a water bottle, or a singing competition, or Teachers' Day celebration, etc. But heading should be in capital letters. After writing heading beta, again you will leave one line and then you will write down the content, the information which you want to pass, but in brief. After writing content, you will leave one line and again on left side of the box you will write down the name of the contact person. Children, we can write down notice on any competition, on any cultural event, etc. But in class 4, we are going to write notice on lost and found only. Let's make it more clear with an example. You are Pihu, studying in Kundan Vidya Mandir Senior Secondary School. You found a geometry box. Write a notice informing the students about the same. So, this is what we are going to write down today. First, you will draw a box. Then you will write down the name of the school, that is Kundan Vidya Mandir Senior Secondary School. And in another line, you will write down the name of the city, that is Ludhiana. And both should be in capital letters. Then after writing Ludhiana, you will leave one line and you will write down NOTICE notice in capital letters. Inside you will write down today's date, that is July 20th, 2021. After that, again you will leave a line and you will write down the heading of the notice, that is found a geometry box. After that, again you will leave a line, beta found a geometry box, also you will write down in capital letters. After leaving a line, you will write down the content of the notice, that is found a geometry box yesterday in the 3rd period in science lab. If anyone has lost it, may collect it from the undersigned after giving all the details. The details will be given by the person who is coming to collect it. You will not give the details, okay? Just keep this thing in mind. After that, again you will leave a line and you will write down Pihu. You will not write down your own name, because just remember recall the question. It was written you are Pihu. So you will write down Pihu and class 4th C. Children, I know notice writing is a new concept for you, but I hope the format for the same is clear now. That's all for today. Bye. Take care.